Hi, I'm Marlo from Wild Food UK. It's the 22nd of March today and I'm out foraging again in Herefordshire, and we've just found my favourite member of the Cardamine genus coming into flower just down here. So let's have a look. What you can see there is lady smock or cuckoo flower. Gets called cuckoo flower because it flowers just as the cuckoos apparently arrive in the UK, and we've got another name for this at Wild Food UK. We call it wasabi cress. I'm just going to run through the ID features. So these in my left hand there are the basal leaves of the plant, and these are the leaves from the flowering stem. Now these leaves on the flowering stem I don't really eat. This basal leaf set with your big sort of terminal spade-shaped leaf at the end and opposing leaflets running down the stem like most of your cardamines. These are the bits that we call wasabi cress. You've got to try them. They are absolutely lovely. So pop them in and then you get that wasabi flavour, and after about 3 or 4 seconds you'll get a bit of that lovely wasabi heat. And those basal leaves are there all year. So when you see a field that's covered in these flowers, which in this instance are a pale pink, they can be slightly darker pink than that, or they can be pretty much white. When you see a field with these flowers in it, you know that you can go to that field at almost any time of year and find those basal leaves for your salads. It does take a little bit of collecting, I've got to say, but they're worth it because the flavour is one of the punchiest, most pungent flavours that we go foraging for. These flowers I'll happily use in my salads. They don't have that same spiciness as those beautiful basal leaves, but they are still tasty and they're lovely as a garnish for your salads. They're quite sweet and still with a bit of a wasabi flavour, but like I say, not really with any heat. So now's the time. Get out and find some wasabi cress, some cuckoo flower, some lady smock for yourselves. And if you want to find out more, go to wildfooduk.com, book a course or buy our book.